The main advantages of the usage of ProSEco in Electrolux are connectable appliances. This could enable recipe suggestions, remote control, maintenance scheduling, and much more. Everything in ProSEco starts with the definition of a product extension service. The creation of such is achieved through the ProSEco portal, where you start by selecting the product type. Define the PES workflow. Configure the multiple services in the PES. In this case, the services used were the Bias Intelligence Selection tool, where one selects the sensors that are going to be monitored, and the Data Mining tool, where the algorithm to analyze the data is selected. Lastly, the Service Composition tool is used to link the different services in the PES. In the Electrolux business case, a fridge was used and there were two separate use cases: the customer behavior analysis where the goal was to model the behavior of a consumer based on their daily routine. This was modeled through the analysis of the door sensor, which was opened and closed several times during the course of the simulation. The whole point of the PES is to monitor the usage of the fridge to understand if and where there is room for improvement. The analysis showed it was possible to predict the user behavior with a fair precision. The second use case for this business case was the analysis of the component behavior. This was achieved using multiple scenarios. One of them was the lack of refrigerant, where the aim was to monitor the fridge's temperature in order to understand how the fridge behaved when it couldn't refrigerate properly. Due to the optimal condition of the fridge, this was simulated by leaving the door wide open for some time. The second scenario was the lack of door gasket seal, where the objective was to monitor the fridge's behavior when the door cannot seal properly. This was achieved by leaving the door slightly open for some time. The last simulated scenario was equal to the last one, with the difference that the room temperature was set to that of summertime. For the future, the goal is to improve the already developed connectable appliances and applications so that we can move past basic remote control and step into the domain of personalized interactions with the customers. This video was brought to you by the ProSEco Consortium and funded by the European Commission.